In this video, you'll learn how to send messages in Slack. By following these steps, you will be able to communicate effectively with your team using this platform. Begin by opening the Slack application on your device. Once the application is running, you will see your workspace and channels displayed on the left side of the screen. Look for the pencil edit icon located at the top right corner of the interface. Next, click on the pencil icon. This action will open a new message window. In this window, you will notice a field labeled To. This is where you can specify the recipients of your message. In the To field, start typing the names of the people you wish to message. As you type, Slack will suggest matching users from your workspace. Click on the name of the person you want to include in your message. You can select multiple users if necessary. After selecting your recipients, direct your attention to the message box located at the bottom of the new message window. Click inside this message box to activate it, allowing you to type your message. Once you have entered your message, review it for clarity. When you are satisfied with the content, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to send your message. You should see the message appear in the conversation thread immediately. Keep in mind that if you encounter any delays in sending the message, it may be due to your internet speed. Additionally, ensure that the recipients you selected are available on Slack to receive your message instantly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.